Hello dear friends, what you are about to see, it's a project that me and a friend videographer have worked on for about 2 months, and every 2 to 3 minute video that you see is a project of 2 weeks of work, and it's called the Happitalist. Why the name Happitalist is because my son and I do a lot of debates, and one day he got frustrated because he couldn't pigeonhole me and said, so what are you? Are you the left? Are you the right? Are you a capitalist? Are you a socialist? And I said, I am neither of those. I am a Happitalist. And I had to define what a Happitalist is. Because I think in this world we live, we have pretty much no control. We have very little control over anything but ourselves and our mind. We definitely don't have, in my humble opinion, any control about our politics in this world. So the Happitalist was the name that stuck with me, and as a person, as I used to be, very opinionated, very loud, very maximalist, very amplified. And as I age, my own evolution has become more internal, more introverted, and really I have realized the power of intentional living. As you know, during COVID, I lost my business of the last 12 years, where it could be really powerful. I mean, the loss is very powerful, but what can I do? What can I do about it? And the Happitalist is really my answer to that. And the fact that if you live intentionally, if you clean your house intentionally, if you cook intentionally, if you have friends over intentionally, if you garden intentionally, that mindset changes your entire life. And this is my homage to that. I hope you join me. The website is thehapitalist.com. A journey to the core of intentional living. It's visual poetry, and you can support us just by liking us, giving us the thumbs up, whatever they do on social media, which you know better than I do. And just send it to 5 friends, again, if you like it. And maybe later on, if this is a go, you can help us with our Kickstarter, but none of this is really a must. Your friendship matters to me more than anything else. Thank you for your time, and let us know what you think.